Again, excellent. Okay, so we've got Team Pablo, yes?
Yes. Well, Team B.
Team B.E.K, sorry, and this is Pablo, yes? Tell us about your vehicle and how it works.
So this here is his motor. It turns the wheels. Has a small rubber band around a small cog, which are different sizes on different cogs.
This works best. This is its solar panel wired up here.
This switch here currently it is off. If you flick it to this side, you can see that it's spinning, which makes it go faster if it's inside. P stands for parallel, which is best in cloud. Weather like this.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Excellent. Thank you for that. Now, tell us something. What's something you learned doing this project?
How to work together.
Yeah. Teamwork.
And also that soldering irons are hot.
Yeah.
Yes, they are indeed hot. Anything technical that you learned?
Yeah, we
Shorter wires are better.
Why are they better?
Because they generate less heat and it basically more overheat.
cools down the car.
The less efficient is it, and the more cooler it is, the more efficient it is.
Excellent. Very good.
We also learned how to use Canva.